Hey my beauties, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm here to show you guys how to make a headband wig with a dome cap. Now the items you're going to need is obviously a dome cap. You're also going to need a weaving cap, a headband of your choice. I found this headband at my beauty supply store, and I also picked up a few extras. Also your needle and thread, and a pair of scissors, and of course you can't forget your mannequin head. Now in this video today I will be using 4 bundles of my deep wave hair from my website, pressed by MissUniqueBeautii.com. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my weaving cap. Now the reason why I'm using a weaving cap is just to prevent me from sewing onto the hair on the mannequin head. Then I'm going to place my dome cap over the weaving cap. The next thing I'm going to do is place my headband onto my mannequin head. Now if you're using a headband that has wording on it like mine does, you want to make sure that you flip your headband inside out so that in the end, when you flip your headband back over, your wording will be facing the right direction. Next, I'm just taking some push pins so I can position the headband exactly where I want it, just so that it won't move. Now I'm going to take my needle and thread and sew the edge of the headband to the edge of the dome cap, all the way around. Once I reach the back middle section of my dome cap, I cut my needle and thread. Then I begin to sew from the other side of my dome cap all the way around the back. I do this just to make sure that the headband is even on both sides. This is what your headband should look like once it's completely sewn all the way around. Next, I'm going to take my first bundle, which is in the length 26 inches, and I'm going to sew this in a U-shaped pattern at the bottom of the dome cap. Now that I've reached the end of this first row, all I'm going to do is flip my track over. I'm not going to cut my tracks. I do not cut my tracks. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to leave 2 finger widths apart from each track. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how far apart I place my tracks. It is exactly 2 finger widths apart from each other. Now I'm going to flip my track over again and do the same thing. Space my tracks 2 finger widths apart from each other once again. Right here, I'm just measuring. Once again, it is exactly 2 finger widths apart from each other. I'm going to continue to sew until I finish this entire row. I'm just making sure once again that my tracks are still continuing to be 2 finger widths apart from each other. Now I'm done sewing in my first 26-inch bundle. I'm going to go ahead and sew in my second 26-inch bundle, doing the same thing that I did as the first one, and I'll be right back. Now this is what 2 bundles is looking like. Now the next bundle we're going to be sewing in is the 24-inch bundle. This bundle I will not be sewing in a U-shaped pattern. I'll be sewing straight across horizontally. Once I reach the end of each row, I'm going to continue to flip the tracks over. I'm going to continue sewing on this 24-inch bundle and then I'll be right back. Now I've completely sewn in all 3 bundles and I'm now on my last bundle. My last bundle is a 22-inch bundle and I will continue to sew straight across horizontally just like the 24-inch bundle. I'm going to finish sewing the 22-inch bundle off camera and then I'll be right back with the finished results. Now this is what your wig should look like once you've completed sewing in all your bundles. The last track at the top, I actually sewed it from temple to temple just to cover up the tracks on the sides. Now you're going to flip your headband up over the front of the wig, and this is what your headband wig should look like. Right here, I'm going to show you guys what the headband wig looks like once all of the hair is pulled up. So today I was able to show you guys how to make your own headband wig from scratch. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!